How to recover recently deleted photos on iPhone. So let's head over to the gallery. Under the albums section, you want to scroll down, and under utilities you can find recently deleted. Go ahead and click on that. You would either have to type in your password, or if you have your phone recognition on, then you should directly get in. Now, to recover a file that you've recently deleted, what you want to do is you want to click on the picture or the video. Once you do that, on the bottom right corner you can see the option of recover. You can directly select that. If you want to recover all of your recently deleted pictures, what you want to do is you want to go ahead and click on select. Once you do that, a 3-dot icon will appear on the bottom right corner. Click on that. Then you'll find the option of recover all. You just have to click on that and you're good to go. So that is how you recover recently deleted photos on iPhone. Hope I was able to help you out. Thank you for watching.